Did you catch the recent buzz around Prisma Finance's plan to unpause the Prisma protocol? Well, if not, buckle up, because we're about to dive into the intricate world of crypto finance and the resilience it takes to recover from a major setback. On March 28, Prisma protocol was hit with a substantial hack, costing it a whopping $11.6 million. The protocol was promptly halted, leaving its users in a state of uncertainty and apprehension. But just like the phoenix rises from the ashes, Prisma Finance too is making a comeback. Fast forward to April 3rd, Frank Olson, a core contributor to Prisma Finance, proposed a strategy to unpause the Prisma protocol and get the wheels turning once again. Olson's plan involved re-enabling users to deposit liquid staking tokens, or LSTs, and liquid restaking tokens, or LRTs, and borrow over-collateralized stablecoins. A brave move that signifies Prisma Finance's resilience and determination to recover. Following this proposal, the Prisma Finance DAO initiated a 4-day governance vote on April 4th, a democratic process allowing members to voice their opinions on the proposed way forward. This vote is set to conclude on April 7th. According to Olson, unpausing the protocol is a critical step towards recovery and will re-establish normal functionality, including complete vault management and deposits into the stability pool. Yet, it's not without risks. Users are urged to revoke delegate approvals with open positions to avoid potential loss of funds. Prior to this, 14 accounts were yet to revoke the affected smart contract, a situation that could potentially lead to a cumulative loss of $540,000. To prevent future setbacks, Olson highlighted Prisma's ongoing efforts to bolster its security measures. These include opting for continuous auditing services, implementing bug bounty programs, and making significant security improvements. This comprehensive approach underscores Prisma Finance's commitment to its users and the wider crypto community. To recap, Prisma Finance is on the road to recovery after suffering a major hack. The protocol is proposed to be unpaused, allowing users to deposit LSTs and LRTs and borrow over-collateralized stablecoins. A governance vote is underway to decide the future course of action, and users are urged to take necessary precautions to protect their funds. Meanwhile, Prisma Finance is implementing various measures to prevent future attacks and ensure the safety of its users. In the world of crypto, the only constant is change. Prisma Finance's journey is a testament to this, demonstrating that even in the face of adversity, resilience and innovation can pave the way forward. It's a story of recovery, resilience, and the relentless pursuit of progress. Stay tuned for more updates from the ever-evolving world of crypto finance.